Do you want to learn how to make this orange drip rose gold cake? Stay tuned and watch. So I took this out of the freezer, and this is what the petal tip looks like, where you want, it's like a teardrop. You want the fat side at the bottom when you start. So you want to make it look like the middle part of the rose, so you just do a twirl around it in the middle part, like this. And then you have to come over that like an arch and come down. And you just arch it the whole time around the first part, and then you come out with it a little bit so it looks like petals. So that's what it looks like. And then I have a tray here that I'm going to put it on, and then I'll put it in the freezer until I'm ready to put it on my cake. And I'm going to do a few more of these. To do the white chocolate drip, I'm going to use 60 grams of vanilla flavored melting wafers. This is a brand that I like to use. And 20 grams of heavy cream. I'm going to put this in the microwave for a few seconds at a time because it melts really fast. And then I will be putting it in this plastic bag without the tip cut yet. And here it is, and it only took 20 seconds to make it melted this much. Okay, and then I cut the top off just a little bit, and I'm going to just press down with the piping bag so it comes down. Sometimes you have to give it a little help. I took the cake out of the refrigerator. I put a little bit of whiskey in here, and here is my rose gold powder. Put that in here and stir it up. This part can be kind of tedious, but you want to mix it up really nice. You can put lemon extract in here too if you don't want to use alcohol. And then you just simply lay it down onto the drip. At least, well, if you go kind of fast, 20 minutes or 15, but you don't want to go too fast with this, because if you go too fast it will streak and then you won't get that nice solid color on there. That's would be too separating otherwise if you went too fast. Then when I was done with that, I decided to put some of the rose gold on the edges of the roses. Now I'm going to pipe some white roses. The same rose petal small tip, I'm going to do these other flowers that are just simple. And all you have to do is take the fat side and come around and around and around and around. But you do it flat. So I'll show you how you do that. From the center, you go one and in. That's one petal. and then another one, and in, another one, and in, another one. I'm gonna do just 4 of them. So I'm gonna do a few of these. Okay, now I just took these out of the freezer and I'm gonna be putting them on the cake. So now I'm just gonna start placing my flowers onto the cake. I'm gonna put a big orange one here, like that, and then a white one by it, white rose over here, and then another little orange rose by it. You want it to be balanced. And then another white one on the other side. So I have a bunch other roses that I brought up to balance everything. So there's one, if you go to the back, you want both sides looking nice. So I'm gonna put one here. And I think I'll put one here. So here's the finished cake, and this was a cake a customer wanted me to do. I probably would never have thought of putting these colors together, but it's pretty, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. Thanks everybody, see you next time. Oh no, I forgot to put leaves on my roses. I almost didn't put leaves on my roses, and I was gonna send this cake out. Leaves on the roses. And so I have my leaf tip. This is a large one, 352 Wilton. You put it on the side this way, not this way. And you just squeeze and you pull away from it. So okay, now it really is done. And I have the leaves on it, and it was a struggle of a cake to make. I have to admit, I don't normally do American buttercream, and it's a lot of different for me to work with. I don't do drips ever, hardly. Very often, and I don't really enjoy doing drips, so that was a struggle too. But at least the customer got what they wanted, and I hope they're happy. Thanks for watching.